The Ant and the Dove. One hot day, an ant walked by a river. He slipped and fell into the water. The ant tried to swim, but the water was too strong. A dove sat in a tree above the river. She saw the little ant in danger. She quickly picked a leaf with her beak. She dropped the leaf into the water. The ant climbed onto the leaf. He was safe. "Thank you, dove," said the ant. Later, a hunter came with a net. He wanted to catch the dove. The ant saw the hunter. He ran and bit the hunter's foot. "Ouch!" cried the hunter. The dove heard the cry and flew away. Moral: a kindness is never wasted.